Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting a sturdy posture and placing your fingers on the home row. This reduces errors and speeds learning. Once settled, position your left index on F and right index on J, using the raised bumps to orient. Now, prepare to type the word. Assign each letter to its standard finger. This is the only way here because consistent mapping builds muscle memory. Practice the first letters slowly, focus on accuracy, and keep your wrists relaxed. Breathing helps maintain a steady tempo. Once you've mastered the start, move through the middle letters deliberately because precision now cements the pattern. Type P with the right index, then E and N with left-hand fingers. Shift your left hand slightly to reach N without breaking posture. Next, hit G with the left index and U with the right index, coordinating hands so motion is minimal. Make sure to return to home row between letters. This stabilizes accuracy. Practice at a steady pace, increasing speed only after your accuracy reaches about 90%. To finish typing the word correctly, press the final letters while keeping your fingers guided by the home row. If you need a capital P, hold Shift with the left pinky as you strike P with the right index. Once the word is complete, tap space with your right thumb and return both hands to home row. If mistakes occur, slow down to half speed, trace each finger's proper key one by one, and then resume. This troubleshooting resets muscle memory and prevents repeating the same error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.